Alright y'all, what's up 180 Wave family? I'm back with another video. This is Josh back with another video, man. I'm hyped. Bro, like cause we got an unboxing. We got an unboxing. And I was supposed to be making videos, but I'll be kinda too hyped, you know what I'm saying? For my videos, I don't know what, I kinda be hyped, so I kinda be screaming and stuff, like be yelling and everything like that, especially cause I got my you feel me? I got this. But you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like the video already, you know, make sure you like the video and everything. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, everything like that. But you know what I'm saying? I got a package. So you I'm about to open it. Open this. Really wanted it, bro. I've been waiting for this. You know, so I got off of Amazon. Link in the description, you know what I'm saying? If you trying to cop same thing I got, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you spending, because you already know I'm spending, so you already know I had to cop this. But yeah, this is a Torino Pro unboxing and everything like that. I have one. I lost my other brush. I left it like in my old car, whatever. And I think we gave my old car away, so my brush is in there. So, but we went on Amazon, you know, link in the description. Go ahead and go copy one. We got the Torino, hold on. We got the, hold on. We got the Torino Pro, like, let's go, bro. All right, before I even get started into it, bro, this is Torino Pro soft brush. I think this is like the 999. I'm pretty sure. Does it say? No, it's a 640. So this is 640. This is one I got. You know, so we got a 640. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, so we got a 640. But yeah, bro, this is like, this brush changed my wave journey. Because if you watch my older videos, I was kind of like, brushes really don't matter. You don't have to get anything crazy. You don't got to get anything too expensive. But when I tell you, when I got this brush previously, I had it in my live. I might link my live, but it's a soft brush, you know what I'm saying? If you were straight, listen, if you're a straight hair waver, well, every waver needs this. Every waver needs a soft brush. But bro, this brush changed my journey. It polished my waves real good and everything. But you know, Torino Pro, I told y'all, I be telling, bro, oh God, I be telling y'all, like, about Torino Pro come through on the quality, man. It's got like a box. This is a brush, but it comes through with the box. Like, look at that, man. Torino Pro. This is what I like, using the good stuff, man. I like using the good stuff. So when you buy Torino Pro, especially if you get it linked in the description, if you get it from link in the description, it's gonna come right. It's gonna come in the box, king.org and all that. But bro, I needed this because I haven't had one. So let's open it up, man. The thing is secure. The thing is secure, bro. Look at this. What brush you know do that? What company you know do this, bro? Like, this thing is mad secure. Like, look at that, bro. This thing mad secure, bro. Let's go, my God. Let's go. They switched up the packaging. They got way better at the packaging. I haven't ordered one in a minute, because they last, but you know, it comes with this. It tells you the maintenance, how to maintain it. Like, bro, what? I be saying Torino Pro for a reason, my guy. Like, y'all be asking me on Snapchat, everything like that. Y'all be asking me what brush I use, bro. Torino Pro only, my guy. Like, Torino Pro only. Torino Pro only. Like, bro, come on, like. And then look at the color, my God. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at that, bro. Bro, I'm about to be pulling. Bro, I'm about to be pulling, bro. I'm about to go off, bro. You know how many, I'm about to be, bro, look, back to the review, my guy. Just know I'm about to be pulling, like, this, on God, no cap, you already know. But, I'm about to be, anyway, so yeah. It says do not shower brush. Yeah, I didn't shower brush my It says do not shower brush or wash in style with this brush, it will get ruined. Before you wash this brush, go to YouTube and search AG wash method for Torino Pro and watch Justin Tom's video. Also, there's a hairbrush maintenance card in your Torino Pro box. Please read it before washing your wave brush. Oh snap, it got the IGs and stuff in there. My God, bro. But they going crazy, bro. So if you got one of these waves, you got waves in general, just get you a Torino Pro. I'm very happy with that. I think mine was like, I think maybe $26, well worth it. And it tells you how to, I don't know if y'all want to see that. Like, just in case you get it, you know how that, you can probably like screenshot this. Oh, whatever, bro. I'm about to go crazy, my guy. Like, see, these are my waves now. And I guess the reason why I'm so happy, or I'm really about to go crazy with it, because it polishes your waves, bro. Like, oh my God. Say less, bro. Say less, my God. Bro, it feels like when you get a soft brush, like when you get a soft Torino Pro, it feel like heaven, bro. I'm not even, you know what I'm saying? It ain't no benefit for me to even say that, but I wanna make sure y'all using some good stuff, bro. It just feel like the soft brush, the best one. The soft brush is the best feeling brush. But, bro, my waves about to go stupid because, like, let me explain. Like, my waves have been good, but it hasn't been the best that it could be, because you gotta have a soft brush to polish your waves. You gotta have a soft brush to polish your waves and really like lay them down for real. So after you take off your do-rag, it's good to have it so you can just brush in your pattern and everything. But bro, doing an hour brush session with this after a cut or something, bro, it's gonna go crazy. I'm telling you now, it's no going back. Like, as soon as you cop one of these, as soon as you cop this, bro, it's no going back, bro. There's no going back to no other brush. I'm telling you this now. So if you don't want to get used to something really good, like, just don't get it, because you're not gonna want to use no other soft brush, man. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? I stick with the same stuff, but it's just quality. It's just quality, man. So I really like the soft bristles. It really, and then it's contoured so it fits your head shape, which is what I really like about it. So, you know what I'm saying? It has a dip, and boom. So you just brush. So I will be having a brush session video with this, but yeah, man, I'm really happy I got this brush. I'm really happy. Make sure y'all follow them. You know what I'm saying? It's got the Instagrams and stuff on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to go crazy. Link in the description if you want to go cop. Just go cop. Like, y'all know I've been putting y'all on. I'm not gonna tell y'all wrong stuff. So, you know what I'm saying, just make sure you go cop. There's no reason for you not to have this. So go cop it, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.